taking this 2-pin connector, choose a side and push the connector from the BCM in, using the terminal, push it into this connector until you hear it click. Then push the white part in.
Go ahead.
Place the connector in the other side, just slightly, to make sure that you get the connector, the terminals lined up. Then place the terminal in the same side as the wire that you did, so they make a connection when the connector's together. Again, push the terminal all the way in until it clicks, and then push the secondary connector in using a small screwdriver.